Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to batch transfer using the Bitget wallet. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the Bitget wallet Chrome extension and logged into my account. In case you have not, well, worry not, we have created a tutorial regarding how to as well. Now let us simply look at how to batch transfer. Right here, this is the token section. From here, what you guys need to do is simply shift right over to tools, click on it, and guys, this is it. From here, you can explore the blockchain, verify contract, also look at the approval checker. But right now, what we're gonna focus on is this thing right here called as batch transfer. Click on it right now, and as such, a new page will open up. From here, as you can see, you can change the mainnet as well. Currently, it is in Ethereum. You can change it to BNB and others. It is up to you. Once you've done that, all you need to do is enter the receiving address right here, and along with that, enter the amount that you want to send. Similarly, enter the new addresses right here. For simplicity, I'm gonna copy the same address. Once you've done that, just enter the amount. And once you've done that, simply hit on transfer and just follow along the prompts. It might ask you for some confirmation, simply give it to it, and as such, you will have batch transferred using Bitget wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.